প্লিজ ক্যামেরা
হ্যাঁ,
অফ করতে পারি? প্লিজ আমাদের বাসায় রেনোভেশনের কাজ চলতে, তো প্লিজ ক্যামেরা অফ করতে পারি?
okay. Acha, so hello everyone, hello kids, and assalamu alaikum to all of you, and welcome to Liaquat's Kids English School. And this is class 4, 5 to 6, batch number 2.
It's
And
two.
I'm your Emma Miss. So let's get started for today's session. And as there is a new member in our class today, let's get introduced with him. Then we will move on to our next sessions. So, Bhaskar Haldar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you introduce yourself with everyone?
My name is Bhaskar Haldar. I
Wait a second, bacha. Whenever you are getting introduced with new person, do you start with your name or with your greetings? Which one?
greetings,
Yeah, then where is it? তুমি কার সাথে কথা বলছো? আমাদের সাথে?
ma'am.
But how are you going to address us? How you are going to make us uh attract your attention? Attention check কিভাবে করাবা? বুঝেছো?
প্রথমে হ্যালো বলে।
Yes. So greetings is the grabbing the attention of the people who is in front of you by saying
Ma'am.
hello everyone or good evening or whatever you wish to say. But first address with the greetings. Yeah, go on.
Hello, everyone. My name is Bhaskar Haldar. I read in class 8. My school name is Government Laboratory High School. I am new in this class.
That's all about you. We all know that you are new. Okay, my point is that when you say that about yourself, you can add your hobby. Okay, what do you want to be?
Is
You can
My
add your likings or dislikings. Yes.
my hobby is playing football. I want to be a army officer in future.
Oh. What is your height now?
My height is 5'10".
5'10" now? Allah! Oh my God. You can be 6 feet easily when you are at that certain age.
So,
Very nice. তোমাকে তো এখন দেখি বলে তাল গাছ কোথায় যাচ্ছ তাই না? Is it like that?
বলা হয় আমাকে, বেশ কয়েক জায়গায় বলা হয়।
Yes. But the boys should be tall. They look cute and handsome on that. Yeah. Tall boys are great. Even my brothers are like your height. So, but I'm little bit short. Then you can talk about your okay, like, do you have anything that you like or dislike?
Like and dislike.
Mm-hmm. Nothing in particular? সবকিছুই পছন্দ করো?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Okay, that's very much confusing. Okay. So, সবাই তাকে welcome করে দাও. Let's say welcome to, shall we say tell Bhaskar or Bhaskar? Which one?
ভাস্কর।
Bhaskar. Okay. So, let's welcome our Bhaskar. It's not the sculpture, it's Bhaskar. Okay, so let's start. আর আমাদের প্রিভিয়াস ডে তোমাদের জন্য কিছু টাস্ক ছিল, করেছো? Did you do
is
it?
what?
তোমাদের টাস্ক ছিল না about how to describe a person?
নো মিস, এটা তো মিস আগে তো শেষ হয়ে গেছে।
তুমি দিয়েছিলা, বাকি সবাই কি দিয়েছিল?
ও মিস, ওদের বাকি ছিল মিস, আমার শেষ।
হ্যাঁ, ওদের অনেকের বাকি ছিল, তাই না? কে কে বাকি ছিল? হ্যাঁ,
মিস ইফতিখার, মিস ইফতিখার, আনাম, আরো অনেক।
আনা দিয়েছিল মেবি।
আমি দিয়েছি। হয়তো মহিন।
আহিল দেয়নি। আহিল, শ্রেয়া, জাবির, they didn't give it. আচ্ছা, বিফোর দ্যাট লেটস এন্টার, আমরা অন্য কিছু করে নেই, দেন উই উইল মুভ টুয়ার্ডস ইট। First, before that, so I want from you guys to read out 3 each. Okay? সব যাকে বলবো সে 3টা করে ওয়ার্ডস পড়বে। So first, let's start with Anna. Let's go with you.
Adventure. An adventure is a fun or exciting thing that you do. Riding
Yes.
in the rough water was an adventure. Approach. To approach something means to move close to it. The boy approached his school.
Yes.
Carefully. Carefully means with great attention, especially to detail or safety. The baby carefully climbed down the stairs.
Thank you. Now let's go with our Bhaskar. আচ্ছা, সবাই তো কেমিক্যাল সম্পর্কে জানি। Do we know what is chemical, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Create? Do we know what
Yes.
is the meaning of create?
স্টোরি করো।
সৃষ্টি করা, yes. Evil? I think so, evil, we know that.
ইয়েস মিস।
আচ্ছা, let's go with experiment then.
Can I read?
No, Bhaskar. Let's go with Bhaskar. I need to see his reading skill also. যদিও আছে, পড়ার আরো আছে. Don't worry. There are lots of things to go on. Bhaskar, go on.
Will you start from experiment?
Yes.
Experiment. An experiment is a test that you do to see what will happen. The student did an experiment in science class.
Plus. Sir.
Class.
Okay. Thank you.
Kill.
আচ্ছা, kill সবাই জানি না? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Go with laboratory.
A laboratory is a room where a scientist works. A
Very
mother
good.
works. A mother works in a laboratory.
Thank you. Laugh?
Laugh is the sound made when someone is happy or a funny thing occurs.
Occurs. Mhm.
Occurs. The sound of her laugh filled the room.
Thank you. Now let's go with loud. সবাইকে আমরা জানি what is loud.
জোরে জোরে
Yeah.
চিল্লানো।
teacher.
Okay, nervous. What about nervous?
ভীত বা
Okay, let's go with nervous. Ahil, read from nervous.
ভীত বা উত্তেজিত।
Hmm?
Nervous. When a person is nervous, they think something bad will happen. The boy became nervous when he heard the news.
Okay.
Noise and a noise is an unpleasant sound. The crying baby made a loud noise. A project is a type of work that you do for a school or a job.
Thank
His
you.
afternoon work.
Thank you. Oh, আচ্ছা, তুমি এটা পড়ো না, it's fine. Okay, his afternoon project was to paint Krungri. Then let's go with Zabir. Zabir? Zabir!
মিস কেন আইছে?
Zabir?
Yes.
ও কি শুনতে পাচ্ছে না? হ্যাঁ, পড়ো। Come on, from scare.
Scare, to scare someone is to make
Scare.
them feel afraid. My
Scare.
uncle was scared by what he saw in the room.
It's not scare. আমরা কি বলবো? Scare বলবো। কি বলবো? Scare. Care.
Care.
Okay, then
Secret. A secret is something you do not tell other people. The two boys were sharing a secret. Shout. To shout is to say something loudly. My boss shouted at me because I was late for work.
okay,
Smell.
Tahmid, you can go. Thank you, Zabir.
Smell. To smell something means to use your nose to sense it.
Sense
The
it.
two
Sense
sense
it.
it to it. The two friends smelled the
Smell.
flower. Terrible.
Mhm.
If something is terrible, it is very bad. The way is treated his classmate as terrible. Worse. If something is worse, it is of poor quality than other thing. Business business was worse his mouth than last month.
Okay, now my question is to you people. That is terrible মানেও খারাপ, worse মানেও খারাপ, right? এবং
Yes,
both of
miss.
them হচ্ছে অনেক খারাপ। Terrible মানেও খারাপ অনেক, worse মানেও। But why is it in different ways? Why is that? What can you identify যে আমরা কখন terrible বলতে পারি, কখন আমরা worse বলতে পারি? Any idea? Sentence দেখে?
Terrible হচ্ছে মিস অনেক ভয়ঙ্কর একটা জিনিস আর ভয়ঙ্কর কোনো জিনিস হতে যাচ্ছে এরকম একটা কথা আর worse হচ্ছে মিস একটা জিনিস থেকে ওর জিনিস মানে এই জিনিসটা আরো ভয়াবহ বেশি।
হ্যাঁ, আমি তো বুঝলাম না।
টেরেবল হচ্ছে মিস অনেক ভয়ঙ্কর একটা জিনিস মানে
হুম,
ভয়ঙ্কর একটা কাজ যা তোমার
হুম।
সাথে হতে যাচ্ছে বা এন্ড ওয়ার্স ইজ একটা খারাপ জিনিস থেকে আরো ভয়ঙ্কর একটা খারাপ জিনিস বা কাজ।
ওকে, উই ক্যান সে দ্যাট ওয়ার্স এর থেকেও টেরিবলটা একটু বেশি
ইয়েস মিস।
তীব্র, ঠিক আছে? আর এটা সাধারণত তোমার যে ওকে খারাপ বা এরকম মান হতে পারে বা কোনো ধরনের ধারণা হতে পারে, ঠিক আছে? বাট টেরিবল হচ্ছে যখন এক্সট্রিম পর্যায়ে চলে যায়, দ্যাট ইজ কল টেরিবল। Okay, then let's go with some exercises. Circle the two words in each group that are closely related. That means you can say that almost it's like synonym, but it is not synonym. মানে দুটা দুটার সাথে যায়। Laboratory experiment, shout, smell. So which word can go together? Which two words?
ল্যাবরেটরি এক্সপেরিমেন্ট।
Laboratory and experiment. Very good. Laboratory experiment একই জায়গা মোটামুটি হয়। Okay. Shout carefully, create love.
Shout and love.
Shout and loud.
No, miss, love.
Laugh.
শাউট এ শর্ট। shout and a short.
Okay, you can go with shout and laugh. Laugh is the sound of it. Okay. The nervous, terrible, approach worse. Bhaskar, if you don't understand, please do tell us. Okay.
Okay,
Please do
ma'am.
tell me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But participate in the activities.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss terrible and worse.
Terrible and worse. Yes. Very good. Then chemical, secret, loud noise.
Chemical and secret and miss loud and noise. Loud and noise.
Loud.
Loud and noise.
Loud
Okay.
noise.
Yes.
Loud and
Nervous, adventure, project, scare.
He's
nervous
nervous
and
and scared.
nervous scared.
আচ্ছা, তোমরা কি জানো যে অ্যাডভেঞ্চার অর্থ হচ্ছে ঘোরা, ভেঞ্চার অর্থ ঘোরা?
Yes,
But
miss.
what is the
Yes,
difference?
ma'am.
What is the difference? Adventure and venture. Both of them means traveling. I mean, travel or going somewhere. But what is the difference between adventure and venture? Anyone here? No? আচ্ছা,
Sign it
অ্যাডভেঞ্চার
sometime.
যেন আমরা কি পড়লাম, যে কোনো কিছু ফান আর এক্সাইটিং, তাই না? Fun and exciting. Where venture is the opposite one, which will be the dangerous one. Like তুমি মাউন্টেনে যাচ্ছ, or like বোর্ডের স্কাই, মানে হচ্ছে তোমার কোনো দুর্গম জায়গায় যাচ্ছ যেখানে তোমার বিপদ হতে পারে। ডেঞ্জারাস প্লেসে যাওয়াকে তোমার ভেঞ্চার বলে। আর অ্যাডভেঞ্চার হচ্ছে when you have fun or exciting place to go on. Okay? Acha, now write a word that is similar in meaning to the underlined word. William wanted to make a new thing. Like a puzzle or moto. Ki hote pare? Make এর synonym.
Create.
Create. Very good. Yes. Then I'm not having fun. So let's go on an exciting trip.
Adventure.
Then venture.
Adventure. Yes. Mrs. O'Malley asked me to get close to the desk and write my name.
Get open.
Get close to এর ইয়ে কি হবে?
Approach.
Very good, Anna. Yes. Approach মানে হচ্ছে কারো নিকটে যাওয়া, সামনে মানে তার কাছে যাওয়া। Don't worry, I won't tell anyone your thing that other people don't know.
Secret.
Secret. I have to finish my special job before I can go home. Special job.
It's terrible.
Terrible.
Terrible?
What?
Terrible দিলে হবে? স্পেলিং এ হবে? দেখো তো terrible দিলে হয় কিনা। হবে? No.
No.
Project. Project? Special job? Project? Okay. Let's choose the best fits that blank. Okay, when the jar hit the floor, it made a very loud sound or it shouted on the ground. Which one?
It shouted on the ground.
It's very loud
Shouted on
sound.
the ground.
It
তোমার
made
বয়ম
a very
বয়ম ফ্লোরে
loud
পড়লে কি
sound.
ওটা চিল্লাবে, শাউট করবে মাটিতে?
It made a very loud sound.
সাউন্ড করবে। Hold on. আচ্ছা, when the sun went down, it was scared. The woods looked evil.
The woods look evil.
To test his idea, the scientist went on an adventure or did an experiment.
Did an experiment.
Your phone will not work if it does not create something, if you don't carefully pay attention to your power supply.
Miss B number.
If it does not create something.
Miss B.
Yes. Let me go with the next one. Acha. The dog seemed unhappy when
I
I approached it or it created me.
Miss, I approached it.
Alex likes his class because he gets to
Do fun projects.
Fun projects.
do fun projects. Yes.
Yes.
আজকের বসে আছে, তারপর হচ্ছে ফাতেহা কোনো জবাব দিচ্ছে না। হ্যাঁ, দেন শ্রেয়া, জাবির দিচ্ছে আবার দিচ্ছে না। উজ্জ্বল তো বসে আছে। What is wrong with your hair? It is a chemical
It
or it looks terrible?
It looks terrible.
it looks terrible.
It looks terrible.
Yes. She is quite funny. We always laugh at her jokes.
Laugh at her jokes.
Laugh and laugh
Laugh
Did
at her
you
joke.
hear that? I just made it worse, or there was a noise.
The noise.
There was a noise.
I have a very important test tomorrow. I'm nervous or I will
I'm
smell it.
nervous. I'm nervous.
I'm nervous.
Okay, let's
Okay.
hear out. আমরা যেগুলো হচ্ছে আচ্ছা, যেটা বলতে নিচ্ছিলাম যে আমরা যে ওয়ার্ডস গুলো পড়েছি সেই ওয়ার্ডস এর উপর বেসিস করে এই স্টোরিটা লেখা হয়েছে, which is the laboratory. So now Shreya Sarkar will start with it. Shreya Sarkar will read up to this. Shreya, read out. Come on.
His father had a laboratory, but she had no idea
Mia's father had a laboratory.
what was in it. Her dad always closed and locked the door when he went in. She knew that
No,
he
knew. She knew that. তোমার কি দেখতে প্রবলেম হচ্ছে? শ্রেয়া, ফোনটা ঘুরাও. Rotate your phone. Come on. She knew that. Shreya,
Can I?
শ্রেয়ার মনে হয় সমস্যা হয়েছে. Let's go with Mohini. Mohini, come on.
Mia's father had a laboratory, but she had no idea what was in it. Her dad always sat and looked the door when he went it. She knew that he used
He
it
knew.
to
Why
do.
is everyone reading that no? It's new. She knew that.
She knew that he used it to do project for work. Her never told Mia what this project were.
He never told Mia what these projects were. Okay, so এটা যেটা বলা আছে, have you all understood about it? বুঝেছো
Yes,
কি বলেছে?
Yes.
Are you clear, everyone, or not?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay, ঠিক আছে. Next, ফাতেহা ফাতেহা না ইফতেকার পড়ো. ইফতেকার, next para. ইফতেকার, ইফতেকার. Okay, উজ্জ্বল মন্ডল.
Yes, miss.
Read out next para.
Mila's father had a library.
এটা কেন আমি সেকেন্ড প্যারা পড়তে বলেছি?
One night, Mila's approached the door to
Approached, not approach it. Approached the door.
Approached the door to the laboratory. He stopped and thought, I want that crazy
I
experiment. Wonder that what crazy experiment he is doing now. Suddenly he heard a loud noise. It sounded
like an
Evil
laugh.
laugh. Evil.
He noise scared her, so he walked quickly back to her room. The next night,
Okay,
her
thank you. Let's go with who didn't say it. একবারই কোনো কিছুতে পার্টিসিপেট করে নাই কে? সবাই করেছি? Okay. So let's start with Tahmid then again. Tahmid, go.
is from the next paragraph.
Yeah.
The next night, her friend Liz came to her. Came, where is?
দাঁড়াও. From this.
Oh. The next night, her friend Liz came to her house. When Liz arrived, Mia told her about the night before. Oh, it was terrible, she said. Why don't we see what is in there? Liz asked. It will be fun adventure.
It will be fun adventure. Yes. Thank you. Let's go with Bhaskar.
Why don't we see what is in it? What is in there? Liz asked. It will. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
No,
Ye-
from here.
Yes, ma'am. Mia felt nervous about doing into her father's laboratory, but she agreed. As well as the door was locked. They waited until Mia's father left the laboratory to eat dinner. He
Yes.
didn't lock the door. Liz said, "Let's go."
Thank
The
you. Thank you. Acha. And now let's go with Anna.
The
Go on.
laboratory was dark. The girls walked down the stairs carefully. Mia smelled strange chemicals. What terrible thing was her father creating? Suddenly they heard an evil laugh. It was even worse than the one Mia heard the night before. What if a monster was going to kill them? Mia had to do something. She shouted for help.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Fatiha, read out.
Mia's father ran into the room and turned on the lights. Oh no, he said. You must have learned my secret. Your monster tried to kill us, Mia said. Monster? He asked. You mean this?
You mean
He
this?
had
প্রশ্নের মতো. You mean this?
You mean this?
Mhm.
He had a pretty doll in his hands. The doll laughed. The laugh didn't sound so evil anymore. I made this for my birthday.
For your
I
birthday.
wanted
For your birthday.
for your birthday. I wanted to give it to you then, but you can have it now. I hope you like it.
Okay, thank you. আচ্ছা, এখানে কোনো কিছু আছে যেটা তোমরা বুঝো নাই? Any new words or any other words or any sentence you didn't understand? No? But তোমাদের পড়ার মধ্যে কি সমস্যা হচ্ছে বলো তো? কি কি তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ? Anyone? সবাই তো পড়ে গেলা। What's the point you should notice? Bhaskar, do you have any idea? In a reading or reading out a story or narrating a story, what should we focus on? Any idea? No?
No.
Okay. Fatiha, do you have any idea?
No, ma'am.
আনা, মোহিনী? আচ্ছা, তোমরা যখন পড়েছো এরকম মনে হয়েছে যে আমি প্যারাগ্রাফ পড়ছি? মনে হচ্ছিল?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Yes,
হ্যাঁ,
miss. Yes,
মনে
miss.
হচ্ছে না
Yes,
একটা
miss.
প্যারাগ্রাফ জাস্ট দেখে দেখে বলে যাচ্ছি? মনে হচ্ছে না?
Yes, miss.
হচ্ছে?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Yes, ma'am.
তাহলে আমাদের রিডিং পড়ার সময় কাজ কি? এরকম প্যারাগ্রাফ পড়া, তাই না? নাও, whenever you are narrating a story বা যে কোনো ধরনের রিডিং পড়ছো, ফোকাস অন দ্য এক্সপ্রেশনস, পাংচুয়েশন মার্কস যেটাকে বলা হয়, যেমন কোয়েশ্চেন মার্ক, আশ্চর্য সাইন, দেন ফিলিং এক্সাইটমেন্ট অন ইট, কোথায় কি কথা বলছে, গিভিং পজ অন দ্য সেন্টেন্সেস, ঠিক আছে? দেন ইউর প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশনস, দ্য লেটার্স, কোথায় তোমার সি, সি কে কিভাবে বলতে হয় বলো তো? সি এর সাউন্ড কি? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সাউন্ড? সি দিয়ে কি সাউন্ড ক্রিয়েট হয়?
Here,
হ্যাঁ, কা, কা,
miss.
ইজ ইট কা?
This, this sound hard.
তাবির, what is the sound whenever a word is created with C? What is the pronunciation sound? What is the sound? শেষ? ডান? চলো তাহলে এবিসিডি শিখি। কি করবা? এবিসিডি ভুলে গেছো, এখন এবিসিডি শিখতে হবে, তাই না? শিখতে হবে না? আচ্ছা, you need to join